Hey guys, it's me Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a protein update video. So I did a video about 4 to 5 months ago on a Aphogee 2-step protein treatment, and I was trying to get my curls back at the front because I basically damaged my curls and I lost the curl pattern because it was permanently stretched. So what I used to do was I used to slick my hair in a really tight bun almost every single day while it was wet, and over time my hair lost its elasticity and therefore it went from really curly to basically straight or a little wavy. So I really wanted my curls back, and I thought, why not go ahead and try this protein treatment. And I used to use this treatment a lot when I had relaxed hair, and I remember it stopping the breakage. I remember making my hair feel really strong after that. So I did a video on that, and when I first used it the first time, I didn't really notice a difference, but I thought to myself, go ahead, keep trying it out, and eventually, hopefully, I see some results. You're supposed to use it like once every 4 to 6 weeks, and so that's kind of what I did. And so I've only used it about 4 to 5 times now because it's been 4 to 5 months. And to tell you the truth, I did not see a difference at all. So basically what I actually ended up doing recently is actually just chopping off the rest of the ends that were still straight. And what I had to do really was just kind of regrow my hair and stop doing those styles that actually damaged my hair. And yeah, so my hair has grown back, and then I cut the rest off. Like I cut about like, I don't know, 3 inches off the ends, and so that's why my bangs are like a little short right now, but that's fine. Like I'm so happy to have my curls back, and I definitely learned my lesson. I did not know that your hair can actually become permanently stretched. I always thought you could only have heat damage or chemical damage from like relaxers and hair dyes and all that stuff, but this is definitely a new one for me. And these protein treatments are temporary fixes. Nothing could really ever fix damaged hair because really our hair is dead and there's no active living cells in our hair, so it can't really heal itself or repair itself. And so basically all these products that claim to, you know, repair your hair or fix your hair or reverse the damage, basically it's just kind of like a temporary fix. So all the proteins in the treatments or even some of the conditioners basically bind to the holes and gaps in your cuticles, and it basically gives the appearance of healthier hair because it's filling in those gaps. But those ingredients do wash away, and so you have to keep up with the actual treatments. Now looking back, I remember when I was doing these treatments when I had relaxed hair, I remember my split ends would always be breaking off all the time. And when I would do that treatment, my hair definitely felt really hard and strong. So I was doing that every 4 to 6 weeks, and it would help minimize the hair breakage. The best way to repair or reverse damage is to basically prevent damage to your hair in the first place. So once you damage your hair, it's very hard to get your hair back to its normal condition. The best way to stretch out your hair is if it's kind of 70 to 80% dry. You don't want to do it when it's super dry because it doesn't really have the flexibility. So you're really at the risk to break your hair. But then if it's super wet, you can basically experience the same thing as I did, and you can basically ruin the elasticity of your hair and actually lose its curl pattern. Now when I do ponytails, I basically leave out the bangs. And also I noticed too is that my bangs, the front part of my hair is more of like a medium texture and the rest is coarse, and so I have to be really careful with the front part of my hair. It's not as strong as the coarse textures of my hair. I still like to do those hairstyles once in a while where I slick my hair back or into a bun, but I just don't do it as often. I think when it comes to strengthening treatments, I think those are good for when you're trying to maintain a proper protein moisture balance. So basically when your hair is not actually damaged, but it's in need of some strength, if that makes sense. So if you notice that your hair is over conditioned and it feels kind of like mushy like and limp when it's wet and it's not really springing back like it used to, or the curl definition is not really there as much, you might just have over conditioned hair and you have to add more protein into your hair so that you have a proper protein moisture balance. But I just wanted to update you guys on the progress. I know that you guys have left some comments wondering how my hair has turned out, and I have been meaning to do this video. It's just that I wanted to give it enough time to actually see some results, and so hopefully I don't run into this problem again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.